Hi guys, welcome to the channel. If you're new to the channel, make sure you subscribe, like, comment, press the notification bell. Every time when I drop a video, you'll be notified. Guys, tomorrow is 14th of February. It's Valentine's Day. Why do I think about Valentine's? I think Valentine's is a big scam, man. I think it's a big scam of people who are fake, you know, trying to scam people, you know, scam people their feelings about trying to show they love each other. Yeah, man. On my opinion, Valentine's is a scam, man, because now you are in love with your partner, right? You love each other and stuff. What's the reason for you to have so-called special day? Come on, we have 365 days where you should be showing your partner some love, going out, eating in a restaurant and everything. Do you know, guys, people stays in the relationship until the 14th of February passes, you know, just to have that record that now we waited for Valentine's, or maybe we broke up after Valentine. No, you didn't love your person from the first place, or you wanted to break up with this person from the first place. It's just that you wanted so-called flowers and what else? Chocolates, teddy bears, mugs, uh, some signs showing that I love you. And now these things is making other people feel some type of way, that if you didn't get your flowers, your teddy bear, your chocolate, all these stupid things just for one day, that your partner doesn't love you. It doesn't work, guys. That's why for me Valentine's is a scam, guys. Like, I don't know, man. I don't know. You'll see people dressing red and is it red and white, like stupid, just for one day, guys. Honestly, like just for one day. I don't know, man. I don't know, because now there's a lots of people who gonna feel left out just because they didn't get a gift. Let's say your partner maybe have been working maybe overtime, or they didn't get enough time to surprise you with whatever that maybe your friend or your colleagues had, on Valentine's Day and stuff. To me, it's a scam, man, because now your partner, she or he, is gonna feel some type of way that I didn't get anything for Valentine's, so it means my person doesn't love me. What is that? Come on, man. That's why for me it's a scam, man. It's a scam. These things is have to happen every day because you love that. You love your person, because you love your person, you have to go all out for your person every day. You have to send, lovely message every day, calling each other, if you're a teenager, until you fall asleep, on a call and stuff. I think it's like Valentine's is, especially this day, like 14th of February, it's a scam, because now you wanna go to shops, you'll find the shops being filled up with, you know, red balloons, red roses, red this, red that. Nah, man, for me it's a scam, man. It's a scam. Why am I saying these things? Because it's making other people feel some type of way, you know. If you didn't buy anything for your partner, it means you don't love that your person that much, because on the 14th you didn't do anything. That's stupid. To me, that's stupid, man. That's why I'm saying Valentine's Day for me is a scam. It's a scam. So yeah, man. Comment down on the comment section and tell me what you think about Valentine's. That is my opinion. And guys, there's something that I realized, right? There's something that I realized. I posted a video yesterday. Right? it was getting like nice views. I don't know what's happening on YouTube, guys. All of a sudden, zop, all those views are gone. Now I'm starting from zero. I'm gonna post it on the screen. I think within an hour I was on 44 views or so. I'm not saying it was doing well, but like I don't understand why the numbers disappears, the views disappears, and the video have to start over again to gain traction and stuff. I don't know what's happening, guys. Yeah, I once asked Uncle Jay. He is the host of Shangani Gang a podcast, about these things. He said, yeah, sometimes it does happen. I don't know why. What is that? People give you nice views, right? After that, everything goes back to I don't know, man, to zero. Then you have to start again. I don't know what's happening on YouTube, man. Damn, that's crazy. That's crazy if you ask me. So yeah, man, that's my thought on Valentine's. So please comment on the comment section and tell me what you think about Valentine's Day. People who enjoy it, go out there, give each other flowers, tell each other that you love them. I don't know, man. But for me, big scam. Stay tuned.